Right. So, in fact, the prosecutor in George Zimmerman's area,
Mhm.
he was pressured to bring charges against George Zimmerman and he quit. He resigned his job rather than prosecute George Zimmerman. So, the prosecutor who ended up taking the case was from a completely different part of Florida who
No
flew in
way.
to take over that case for political
How
advantage.
can they do that? Because isn't it based on where you are? I don't
Yeah, but
actually
once
know.
the original prosecutor quit, it left a vacuum. He needed to be replaced by somebody, and she
Oh,
raised her hand and got picked by the
and
governor.
oh, so the governor appointed her to go do it?
Essentially assigned her to go into that empty district and take over the prosecutor's
Oh,
role.
and because they made it like a race issue,
Right.
then the facts didn't even matter.
Right. So there's a cliche in the law, and it says if you're a lawyer and the law is on your side, you argue the law to the
Mhm,
jury. And if the facts are on your side, you argue the facts to the jury. And if
mhm.
neither the law nor the facts are on your side, you pound the table. And so that whole prosecution was table pounding. The facts were not on their side. The law was not on their side. It was the cleanest case of self defense I've ever seen brought to trial. Their prospects of actually getting a conviction was shockingly low, probably just that 10% that's noise in the system. So I don't
Right.
think they really had an expectation of getting a conviction, although it could, of course, happen.
Mhm.
The whole point was for her to win re-election. And in that respect, she won.
Right. And so it's almost like innocent people get like they're like innocent bystanders in the process where innocent people get thrown in jail because politicians are trying to get reelected.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And they're just like a twig floating along the river. They're completely helpless.